Hey guys, here's a quick guide on how to set up the BulkPerk quantity discounts app. So first of all, you should enable the discounts over here. You are prompted with two different choices. You can choose to apply the discounts on the product level over the line items, or make a grouped total value discount. Over here, you can also choose whether you want to allow this discount to be applied with other discounts in your store, like shipping discounts, order discounts, stuff like that. Then you need to click this button, and optionally, if you want to change the default value that appears on the discount, you can also do it here with custom values like shown in the example over here. Moving forward, you should go to the quantity discounts page and choose whether you want to apply the discount on the whole product or at the specific variants within the product. You can also choose all products and click this button here to apply the discount. So for the sake of purpose, for the sake of testing, we will just apply it to the one product. And over here, you can choose whether you want to allow the variants within this product to be mixed together to achieve the total discount. Over here, you can also choose the discount type. It's either going to be the percentage based fixed amount or the fixed price per item. So let's put the percentage, click apply, and as soon as the discount is applied, you'll see it like this. Now, if you, for example, wanna override one of the specific variants with the custom discount, you can do it by clicking on specific variants. You can choose more of them. You can even choose the variants from other products and click apply. So yeah, you're populated with the previous state of the product, but you can also change it to be something like this. You can also add another tier, and let's click apply. Now you can see that some variants that we selected have the override tag, which means the discounts on them will be overridden. Even if you have the default discount on the product, the specific variants will use their own. Now the next step is to enable the table of the discounts on the actual product pages. So you can either use the add block automatically button, or you can also add it customly, which I will show you pretty soon. So yeah, if you use the automatic button, the table will be added as per your team's setup. But if you want, you can also add the table manually like this. It can be added to basically any place in the product template. Now you can also do a couple of modifications over here as to how this table will appear visually. You can change the copywriting on it, and you can also choose whether you want to display this table only to the logged in customers. Now, if we go over to the store, so I just found the product that we added the discounts on. it's this one, and let's check how the discounts will be applied. Now I am on the ice color variant, and it has two discount tiers, percentage based. But let's say if I switch over to the dawn, it will update the table automatically with the new variants. Now if I add it to the cart, let's remove the other products. And for the two quantities, we will receive a $10 off. Now let's say if we add the percentage based and put it to 4, we will get the 15% off as we have defined. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Feel free to reach out if you need any other uh, help or guidance on how to set this up. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you.